Product main feature, professional formula, anti-aging with multi-action natural ingredients, cleansing, antioxidant, brightening, exfoliating, deep hydration, fight against free radicals and repair cells, even texture, reduce facial wrinkles for a smooth and soft touch and radiant look, lightening hyperpigmentation, safe for all skin types, no parabens, sulfates or phthalates, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly features, LEVEA anti-aging radiance HYDRA cleanser antioxidant. Hydrating cleanser for all skin types, 4 Florida ounce pH, 5.58 professional formula anti-aging hydrating face wash for women and men, exfoliate dead cells, repair skin damages, brightening dark spot with a radiance complexion, concentrated natural ingredients with high performance antioxidant and wrinkle repair, deep hydration to significantly improve skin appearance and brightness, proven resulting with best prepare anti-aging product. No parabens, sulfates or phthalates. Cruelty. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.